If you are working for a large company, you will no doubt have experienced the IT department. These are the guys who get your PC or laptop set up when you join, and may also be the ones who provide your work phone. The IT guys tend to be very technically savvy, and it's always good to get on their side as you never know when you might need their help. They are experts in their field. IT guys have their own language. This is due to the technical nature of their role. They may say things which you don't understand and you wish you did. IT guys are just one type of expert you'll come across in the IT industry. They know a lot of stuff, but as with all roles, their experience is not all-encompassing. Across the IT industry, there are many roles, each with its own field of expertise. For someone who is new to the industry, it can be daunting, but it's also an indicator that there is always room for career progression and learning new things. Let's widen our view across this industry and get a broader perspective. One way to do this is to start with a discussion of what IT is, then move to a discussion of why. The IT department within an enterprise deals with computer hardware, software applications, data, and communications and networking which join up all the parts. Dealing with client devices like laptops is just the tip of the IT iceberg. There will be other teams within IT which look after all the applications and systems which keep the business running. For example, the back-end email system, instant messaging and team collaboration systems, resource planning, HR, customer relationship management, and many more. The cost of running an IT operation can typically be 1 or 2% of the company's revenue. When you consider that in many industries net profits may only be a few percent of revenue, you can see why there has always been a focus on keeping IT costs to a minimum. More progressive thinking organisations have started to view IT as a strategic enabler for business change. The what of IT, computers, storage systems, networking and applications, and the people needed to run them are all a means to an end, the why. IT can enable new ways of doing business and to empower competitive advantage through smarter use of data. This may seem a bit of a stretch, so let me provide some third-party justification to back this up. At the centre of IT is data. Data is the vessel we use to carry all information, and information is the basis of most advanced economies in the world. In 2006, mathematician Clive Humby coined the phrase, "Data is the new oil." The concept was amplified by The Economist in 2017 in a paper entitled "The world's most valuable resource is no longer oil, but data." My friend and colleague Bill Schmarzo, dubbed the Dean of Big Data, goes further and describes data as the new sun, justified by the fact that it can power an infinite number of use cases at zero marginal cost, never wears out or depreciates, and never depletes. Businesses are starting to realise, and this is backed by evidence, that smart use of data can bring competitive advantage. Spend just a short time on internet research and you'll find a huge weight of evidence which supports this hypothesis. AI and machine learning are trending right now and are underpinned by data. There are many examples of startup companies which have turned industries upside down by building their business models on data. Uber, which does not own a single taxi. Airbnb, which does not own a single hotel. Google, which leads with free services, then sells what it learns about our behaviours. Facebook, Amazon, the list goes on. In response to all this, all organisations are now looking at digital business transformation. In other words, looking for ways to fundamentally improve their businesses through technology and data. Information technology is the mother of digital transformation. It is the foundation for delivering all the cool new stuff which digital transformation relies upon, such as cloud, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, blockchain, Internet of Things, and so on. The IT industry is an exciting and fast-paced environment to work in. It's not just about the what, the computers, storage and software. It's about the why. It's about using technology to underpin every single other industry on the planet. It employs technicians, engineers, marketers, salespeople, project managers, analysts, data scientists, and even a few trainers like me. If I'm biased, it's only because of my experience over the last 25 years. Now I want to share some of this with you.